Okay, thanks for introduction. Yeah, my name is Andrey Volkov and I'm product manager at System Technology company. And my specialization is marketplace solutions and marketplace product stream. System Technology is IT company with more than 23 experience in software development for banks, financial organization, and fintech. And today I have great opportunity to share with you some information about marketplace, future of banks, and market-based marketplaces. First of all, I want to answer one question. Why do banks need to change something? There are several challenges related to banks. One of them is how to attract and retain customer. The competition in the financial sector is very high. Most banks offer similar products. Almost all banks offer loans, cards, deposits, and banks look the same to customer. It is difficult for banks to attract and retain customer. It is difficult to customer to choose bank. The second factor is competition with other players. The number of fintech companies is growing every year. Fintech services are offering more and more services to customer. Global payment services are becoming more popular for online and offline purchases. For example, the number of Apple Pay users in Russia Federation has doubled last year. You ask me what else? For example, decentralized finance, DeFi. Banks usually do not implement blockchain technology in their processes, but more and more people, more and more companies are using this capability for various transactions and operations. What should banks do to retain customer? Reduce tariffs? Offer new and dual loyalty program? It is possible, but it will not allow banks increase profit and earn more. Let's look at the side from the bank's client side and ask them one question. Do you need a bank? He will think and answer, no, I need a loan. Do you really need a loan? He will think again and answer, no, I need a car. In fact, being a client of bank or using banking products is not a main need. Bank can be intermediary between buyer and seller. Bank can be a partner. Bank can provide a platform or infrastructure or ecosystem to its customer, private, individual, and legal. Banks can provide additional capability for existing and new customer. Some other examples. Someone wants to rent a car, some want to buy a new gadget, buy cinema ticket, or just hot dog and pizza. Yes, all these examples are for individuals. But if someone wants to buy something, others want to sell something. Sellers are usually small and medium enterprises. SME also are clients of banks. And legal entities also do not want to be only clients of banks. They want to be able to pay salary to their employees. They want to be able to make payment to their partners. They need some tools to run their business. What are common in all these cases? All customers and all of us want to save our time. We want to do daily operation, transaction, payments quickly and easily. As for me, I want to make purchases and few clicks or taps. Better by voice, or even better automatically, but when I need it. So, what we have? High competition in financial sector. Clients of banks need more than just financial service. Clients, individual and legal, want to buy and sell something, pay invoices, pay salary, make transactions with their counterpartners, and solve problems and daily tasks in general. So there are challenges, there are difficulties. How to be? Is there a solution? Yeah, it's a bank-based marketplace. Bank-based marketplace is not a new idea. There are many successful examples of projects and platforms that have been developed by banks or in partnership with banks. What does a bank need to do to create a marketplace? One way, one option, is to create your own custom platform or ecosystem, such as Kaspi Bank in Kazakhstan. Another option is to buy or integrate the bank with marketplace, such as Sberbank and Marketplace Goods.ru in Russian Federation. In this case, the clients of the marketplace, bank clients, sellers and buyers meet on the same platform. And the bank can offer them all different financial products. I think marketplace is the future of banks. If I already talking about the future, then let's look at the same forecasts and prediction. There are more than 2 billion shoppers in the world. It's more than 25% of the world population. In Belarus, every second Belarusian makes purchases online, and more than 70% of them do it using mobile device. Average e-commerce grows over 10% per year. E-commerce revenues are projected to reach to $5.4 trillion. And almost all transactions, more than 95% of purchases in B2B and B2C segments will be made online by 2040. But marketplace is not only e-commerce. There are many definitions of marketplace. In common, it's a place where different participants meet and interact with each other. The more players in one place, the more benefits they get. Marketplace is an area of commercial dealing. In the past, marketplace was a physical location. Now it's a digital platform or ecosystem that can include hundreds and maybe thousands of different services. Now we cannot imagine our life without marketplaces such as taxis, hotel booking, tickets, apartment rental, car rental, and so on and so forth. And the marketplace provides service and benefits in various segments: B2B, B2C, C2C, B2B2C, and other. We know the world's leading marketplaces, and I think use them. It's very difficult and risky to create new marketplace in the same business segment. It's better to find the free business segment. Banks know a lot about their customer, almost everything. This will help to determine the main needs of the clients. It will help to find the blue ocean. Niche or specialized marketplace will be more in demand in the future. They offer high level of service. They present a wide range of products and services. System Technology, our company, is technological, and we have several successful projects in our portfolio. For example, Premium Watches Marketplace. The key feature is the specific business processes of watch authentication. This allows the buyer to be sure that they are buying an original item without any damages. For this, we had to implement a back-office solution and blockchain integration with using NFT. This marketplace is an example of C2C marketplace. Other example is factoring marketplace. It's a classic B2B marketplace for large retails and SME. Third example, it's a just part of bank ecosystem. We implement feature in Bank Super app, which help to use various payments instruments for refueling car. This example is B2C solution. There are many other business segments. You can think about it, and we can share our expertise with you and help to implement your ideas. If a decision to create a banking marketplace has been made or the decision is still being discussed, then it's important to pay attention to some trends. Just a few words about it. Directly to customer. This allows minimize dealer costs. The manufacturer can receive feedback directly from consumer and produce only what the consumer need. Second is mobile first. As I already said, 2 out of 3 Belarusians shop online using a mobile device. Therefore, it's necessary to develop a solution initially for the size of mobile device's screen, or better, develop native application. Additional reality and virtual reality are getting more and more popular. For example, AR allow customer to skip the dressing room and virtually try in clothes. Purchases goods or services by subscription save time and money for consumer. On other hand, manufacturer receive a guaranteed and predictable income. As a result, bank increase customer loyalty. AI. Everything that can be done automatically must be done automatically. Modern artificial intelligence algorithms answer the most difficult question. A virtual consultant will help you make a better choice than a real offline salesperson, because AI knows more than you about you than the salesperson. I'm talk about marketplaces for different business segments: goods and services, individual and legals, buyers and sellers, consumers and performance. A high level of services is important for everyone, but one feature is the most important. It is a delivery. As you see, almost half of offline shoppers do not use marketplaces because of shipping method. For a bank-based marketplace, it's preferable to outsource delivery, but it is possible to organize delivery process yourself. This can optimize cost and increase profit as a result. But delivery can be the main activity of marketplace, especially during periods of isolation. Many manufacturers, farmers, restaurants, and others need to deliver their products to consumers. And how to do it when cafes, shops, and markets are closed? A unified general logistic service can solve this problem. There are some logistic marketplace in different regions and for different segments, and they work successfully. At the end of my speech, I would like to summarize. It's more and more difficult for banks to compete in financial sector. Banks clients need additional service. They want more than only financial instruments. Marketplaces are already around us. The number of marketplaces and the volume of transaction of them will increase. And I think that bank-based marketplace is an opportunity and winning strategy in the future. Thank you for your attention. I would like to answer your question in a discussion panel.